Have you ever felt like life is moving faster than you can keep up? Maybe it's the way your grandkids talk about their favorite apps or how everyone seems to be doing everything online these days. It's easy to feel left behind, but here's the good news: you don't have to be. Learning just a few tech basics can open up a whole new world of possibilities, giving you more freedom, confidence, and connection in your everyday life. Before we dive into this exciting topic, I'd love to ask for your support. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me, and it helps other seniors like you discover helpful content just like this. Now, let's get started. Today, we're going to explore why learning tech basics is such a game changer for seniors, and how it can boost your freedom in 5 powerful ways. Whether you're completely new to technology or just looking to sharpen your skills, this video will show you simple steps you can take to feel more confident and connected. By the end, I promise you'll see tech as less of a challenge and more of an opportunity. Let's start with one of the most meaningful benefits of embracing technology: staying connected with loved ones. Think about it. How often do you hear from family members who live far away? Maybe your kids send photos of your grandkids, but you're not quite sure how to open them or save them. Or perhaps someone invites you to a video call, and you're nervous about joining because you don't know how it works. These little moments add up, and over time, they can leave you feeling disconnected. The truth is, modern technology makes it easier than ever to stay close to the people you care about. Apps like FaceTime, Zoom, or WhatsApp let you see and hear your loved ones no matter where they are. Imagine being able to watch your granddaughter blow out her birthday candles, even if she lives across the country, or having a quick chat with your son while he's traveling for work. It's these small connections that remind us we're part of something bigger, and tech puts those moments right at our fingertips. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but isn't all this technology complicated? Honestly, it doesn't have to be. Most devices come with user-friendly guides, and there are plenty of free resources online, or even classes at local community centers, to help you get started. Start small. Ask a friend or family member to walk you through setting up one app. Once you've got the hang of it, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Another big way tech boosts your freedom is by helping you manage everyday tasks more easily. Let's face it, running errands isn't as easy as it used to be. Driving to the store, standing in line, carrying heavy bags, it all takes a toll. But guess what? Many of those chores can now be done from the comfort of your home, thanks to technology. Grocery shopping, paying bills, ordering prescriptions, you name it, you can probably do it online. Take grocery delivery services, for example. With apps like Instacart or Walmart Plus, you can browse through aisles virtually, pick out exactly what you need, and have it delivered straight to your door. No more lugging groceries from the car or worrying about parking spots. And when it comes to paying bills, online banking saves you trips to the post office or bank branch. Just log in, click a few buttons, and you're done. It's fast, secure, and honestly kind of fun once you get the hang of it. Of course, I understand that trusting technology with personal information can feel intimidating. Security is important, and we'll talk more about keeping yourself safe online later on. For now, just know that taking these small steps toward using tech for practical tasks can save you time and energy. 2 things we could all use a little more of. Now that we've covered how tech helps you stay connected and simplifies daily life, let's move on to another exciting benefit: accessing knowledge and entertainment. There's a whole world of information and fun waiting for you online, and learning how to tap into it can truly transform your day-to-day experience. Accessing knowledge and entertainment is one of the most rewarding aspects of embracing technology, and it's something that can truly enrich your life. Think about all the things you've always been curious about. Maybe it's learning a new hobby, exploring history, or even figuring out how to cook a dish you've never tried before. With just a few clicks, you can find tutorials, articles, videos, and entire courses dedicated to almost any topic under the sun. For example, have you ever wanted to try painting but thought it was too late to start? Platforms like YouTube are filled with step-by-step art lessons taught by experienced instructors who make it easy for beginners to follow along. Or maybe you're interested in history. There are documentaries, virtual museum tours, and podcasts that let you dive deep into fascinating stories from the past. It's like having a library, art studio, and lecture hall all rolled into one, right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about entertainment. Streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime offer endless options for movies, TV shows, and documentaries. You can revisit old favorites or discover new ones without ever leaving your couch. Love music? Apps like Spotify or Pandora let you create playlists tailored to your mood, whether you're in the mood for classic tunes or something upbeat to get you moving. There's even audiobooks if you prefer listening to reading. Services like Audible or Libby make it simple to borrow books from your local library digitally. The possibilities are endless, and they're all designed to help you enjoy your downtime in ways that suit your interests. Now, while entertainment and learning are wonderful, there's another crucial way tech can boost your freedom, keeping you safe and independent. As we age, maintaining our independence becomes more important than ever, and technology can play a key role in helping us do just that. Smart home devices, for instance, can make your living space safer and more convenient. Imagine being able to turn on lights, lock doors, or adjust a thermostat with just your voice. Devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Nest allow you to control parts of your home without needing to get up, which can be especially helpful if mobility is an issue. But it's not just about convenience. These tools can also provide peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. For example, medical alert systems or wearable devices like smartwatches can monitor your health and send alerts if something seems off. Some even have fall detection features that automatically notify emergency contacts if you take a tumble. And if you're worried about remembering to take medications, there are apps and pill organizers with reminders to ensure you stay on track. These innovations aren't just gadgets. They're lifelines that empower you to live confidently in your own space. Speaking of staying confident, let's talk about another area where technology shines: simplifying communication with healthcare providers. If you've ever had to schedule appointments, refill prescriptions, or ask questions about your health, you know how time-consuming those tasks can be. But many doctors' offices now offer online portals where you can handle all of this, and more, from your computer or phone. Need to book a checkup? Log in and pick a time that works for you. Forgot to ask a question during your last visit? Send a secure message directly to your doctor's office. This kind of accessibility means fewer phone calls, less waiting, and more control over your healthcare journey. Plus, telehealth has become increasingly popular, especially after recent years when in-person visits weren't always possible. With video consultations, you can speak face-to-face with your doctor from the comfort of your home. It's perfect for minor concerns, follow-ups, or even therapy sessions. Not only does this save you a trip, but it also ensures you're staying proactive about your health without added stress. Learning how to navigate these digital tools might feel unfamiliar at first, but trust me, the benefits far outweigh the initial effort. Now that we've explored how tech helps you access knowledge, enhances safety, and improves healthcare communication. Let's move on to one final, and perhaps most empowering, benefit: opening doors to new opportunities. Accessing knowledge and entertainment is where technology truly shines, offering endless opportunities to learn, grow, and enjoy life in ways that suit your interests. Imagine being able to explore a new hobby without leaving your home or revisiting the music and movies that bring back cherished memories. With just a few clicks, you can unlock a world of possibilities tailored specifically to you. For instance, if you've ever wanted to try something creative, like painting, knitting, or even playing an instrument, you'll find countless tutorials online. Platforms like YouTube are packed with step-by-step guides taught by experts who make it easy for beginners to follow along. Love history or science? There are documentaries, virtual museum tours, and podcasts that let you dive deep into topics you're passionate about. It's like having a classroom, art studio, and concert hall all rolled into one, right at your fingertips. And when it comes to entertainment, streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime offer endless options for movies, TV shows, and documentaries. You can revisit old favorites or discover new ones without ever leaving your couch. If music is more your style, apps like Spotify or Pandora let you create playlists tailored to your mood. Whether you're relaxing with some jazz or dancing to your favorite tunes from years past. Audiobooks are another fantastic option if you prefer listening over reading. Services like Audible or Libby let you borrow books digitally from your local library. These tools aren't just convenient, they're gateways to joy, curiosity, and self-expression. Now, while staying entertained and informed is wonderful, there's one final way tech can boost your freedom, empowering you to embrace independence with confidence. As we age, maintaining our sense of autonomy becomes increasingly important, and technology can play a key role in helping us do just that. Smart home devices, for example, allow you to control parts of your environment without needing to get up. Want to turn on a light, lock the door, or adjust the thermostat? Devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Nest let you do all of this, and more, with just your voice. This is especially helpful if mobility is a challenge, making everyday tasks simpler and safer. But these tools go beyond convenience. They also provide peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Medical alert systems or wearable devices like smartwatches can monitor your health and send alerts if something seems off. Some even have fall detection features that automatically notify emergency contacts if you take a tumble. And if you struggle with remembering to take medications, there are apps and pill organizers with reminders to keep you on track. These innovations aren't just gadgets. They're lifelines that empower you to live confidently in your own space. Speaking of confidence, let's not forget how technology simplifies communication with healthcare providers. Many doctors' offices now offer online portals where you can schedule appointments, refill prescriptions, and ask questions securely from your computer or phone. Need to book a checkup? Log in and pick a time that works for you. Forgot to ask a question during your last visit? Send a secure message directly to your doctor's office. Telehealth has also become increasingly popular, allowing you to consult with your doctor face-to-face through video calls from the comfort of your home. These digital tools save you trips, reduce stress, and give you greater control over your healthcare journey. So, to recap, we've talked about how learning tech basics helps you stay connected with loved ones, simplifies daily tasks, opens doors to knowledge and entertainment, enhances safety and independence, and improves communication with healthcare providers. Each of these benefits adds up to something truly powerful: more freedom to live life on your terms. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your confidence and happiness. You don't need to master every gadget or app overnight. Just take it one step at a time. Ask for help when you need it, whether it's from family, friends, or local tech classes. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Learning something new takes practice, but the rewards are well worth it. I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you're excited to try after watching this video? Or maybe you already have a favorite tech tool that's made your life easier. Share it in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire someone else who's just starting their tech journey. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you again for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content designed to help you thrive at any age. Together, we can create a community of lifelong learners who refuse to let age define what's possible. Here's to living your best life, embracing new opportunities, and discovering the freedom that comes with learning tech basics. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.